One of the biggest questions I get from customers, especially living in the Nevada desert, is how good do RV air conditioners work? Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. And this is about air conditioners, obviously. Whether it's a small travel trailer like this rpod that has one AC, or a big fifth wheel toy hauler that has 3 air conditioners, this answer may surprise you, and it's a little more complicated. It's June 8th, 2024 at 1:20 p.m. It's 100 degrees Fahrenheit here in Pahrump, Nevada. So let's go check out some of the units we have the air conditioners on. I am going to start with this small rpod travel trailer. It's considered a 17-footer, but it's 19 feet in total length. It has a 13,500 BTU air conditioner. It's been running for about 4 hours, and I set it at 49 degrees. It's 100 degrees out here in the desert. Of course, it's probably warmer because of the gravel and the sunlight, etc. But let's go inside and see what the thermostat says. Now, as you can hear, the air conditioner is working, and it's working good. It's actually really cool in here compared to outside. But here's the but. Let's zoom in. It's 81 degrees inside the coach. And just to show you, I set it at 49. I would like to take a second to thank everyone that has donated money to the channel or purchased something through the store. If you would like to support the channel financially, in the description box below is a link to the store if you want to buy like a shirt, a hat, a tote, etc. Or there's also a link to a GoFundMe page if you'd like to make a small donation to the channel. Anything is appreciative, guys, and we really appreciate it here at the channel. Air conditioning in the RV universe is very different from your home. The first difference is the super majority of houses, condos, homes, townhomes, etc. are a lot better insulated than an RV. Okay, with most of your travel trailers, your toy haulers, your fifth wheels, motorhomes, etc., they average having a 2-inch thick sidewall. How much insulation can you really get in a 2-inch thick sidewall? Not a lot. The second thing is the air conditioning unit itself. Most of the air conditioners in the RV universe are mounted on the roof or in the wall anymore. You also are limited by either 30 amp power or 50 amp power. So if you're in an area that only provides 30 amp and it's not getting enough amps, the air conditioner's not going to work as well. So there could be a power supply problem from the campground or the place you're staying at into your coach. While your house, for the most part, has energy efficient appliances like air conditioners that can run on low power and actually keep the house cool. But again, there's that insulation factor. So what we say in the industry is no matter how many air conditioners you have on your coach, it is designed to cool down the unit between 18 and 22 degrees compared to what it is outside. Let me repeat that again because I kind of stumbled. RV air conditioners in the RV universe, even in something this small with a 13,500 BTU AC, is only designed to cool down the coach between 18 and 22 degrees compared to what it is outside. Now, there are things you can do. Okay, you can cover the windows. Like if you look around here and you saw when I walked in, the blinds are down. There's different Reflectex material that will help keep the sunlight out. One of the weakest points of a travel trailer or fifth wheel or toy hauler, any of the RVs out there, is the windows, right? So whether it's cold or whether it's hot, it is a weak point of insulation in the coach. And nobody really makes dual pane RV windows. Not like they do on your house, right? Hey, maybe I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments section if I'm wrong. But as far as I know, there's no RV dual pane like a home or like a condo, etc. Now, that all being said, let's go into a fifth wheel toy hauler that has 3 air conditioners and see what we come up with. This fifth wheel toy hauler has 3 air conditioners. All 3 have what we call soft starts, and they are whisper cools. Now, on the power management system, we can run all 3 at the same time on low, and that's what we've done all day since 6 a.m., so about 8 hours. So over 8 hours with 3 air conditioners running, we'll show you the 2 thermostats, the one for the living room and the one for the bedroom. So on this one, it says here in the living room, it's 80 degrees. And in the bedroom, it says it's 81 degrees. And I set it at 70 on both. So that's realistically about 19 degrees cooler than it is outside. Sorry, let me say that one more time. It is about 19 degrees cooler in here than it is outside. And as you can see, I have it pretty dark in here. See, I've got all the blinds shut, everything of that nature. I even closed off the door in the bedroom a little bit just to make sure it stays cool. I cooled off the bathroom. I shut down the bathroom doors too, trying to keep the bedroom cool. Now, it feels really good in here. Don't get me wrong. Compared to outside, it feels amazing. But when you set your thermostat at 70 degrees in your house, it'll cool down to 70. In this case, it's only going to get down about 19 to 20 degrees cooler. Now, on a power management system with 3 air conditioners, because you have only a 50 amp service unit, you can run 2 of the air conditioners, which are 15,000 BTUs. You can run 2 of them at a time on high, but you're still going to get the same result. Now, the cool part about putting them on low, all 3 of them, and having the whisper cools is you don't really hear the units. And I can basically at night shut down one of them and keep them on low, and it'll keep the coach pretty cooled off. Now, again, you can put Reflectec stuff. In fact, guys, talking about that kind of material, I have a video, and that video talks about covering the windows with a certain product. Now, I use that product in the winter, and that product, if you look at that video, it's right here. Just click on that, and it'll take you to that video where I talk about the material I covered my Cougar fifth wheel windows with. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Oops, we got it to go down to 79 degrees. Again, all my contact information is in the description box below. And don't forget, we do have a GoFundMe page to help out with the channel if you'd like to make a donation.